This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools.
Hey guys, welcome back. A little windy outside today, so probably gonna keep the door closed. I hope you enjoyed looking around the car yesterday when I posted just a walk around. Just kind of give you an idea of all the work that's gone into the car. And then today we're going to talk about some interior bits and how we're going to get those integrated into the car as well. So just trying to get all of the major parts done so that we can start working on potentially skinning the panels and going through that process. Eventually I've got to get the ECU out to HP tuners, get it unlocked so that I can remove all of the immobilizer stuff off of it. So just saving up some money for the project to get to that point. At that point, I'll send it off. I'll start doing a bunch of mechanical work. We'll get a battery in here and potentially get this thing started. So stay tuned for that. Probably coming early summer time frame. Anyway, let's go take a look real quick at what we're going to try to accomplish today. So I did get the door card in here for this side. You saw I was going to be working on that. I also got the dash back into the car. I've been trimming up some of the front of the dash to get it to fit with the surround for the windshield. I put in the A-pillar trims just to make sure that those are fitting properly. And I've got the center console in there just to make sure everything fits. Okay. And then also we've got the vents in there as well. So one of the things we have to do is, if you look at the other side, you can see the door card fits pretty well with where the dash is. So that's real nice. But over here, it's really not fitting at all. So I did widen the dash a little bit, but I think that didn't work. And now I'm going to have to take that out, move it back over, and then fill in the area that's underneath here. So gonna go ahead and do that. That looks pretty janky anyway. So that's one of the things we're gonna do. The other thing is that you can see on the door, this door kind of comes out a little bit on the tire, which makes sense because I do have a spacer in there, which it's actually an adapter, which is acting as a spacer right now. That'll get taken out eventually when we get the right wheels for the car. If we look at the other side over here, you'll be able to see that that is not the case, that it comes out almost even with the tire. So that has to get pushed in a little bit, and so we're gonna try to fix that today as well. Okay, well, so I should mention right away that I think, 3D prints are great for getting the initial shapes and getting that all ready and manipulated so that you can use it down the road when you want to do carbon fiber or fiberglass or whatever. It's a great medium to start with. It's really no different than like steel or fiberglass or anything like that. It's just a different medium, and it takes a different set of skills. But I'm really happy with this because it just allows you to prototype so quickly and so cheaply. So, give it a go. See what you guys think. Anyway, I've got this in. Now we've got this all matched up here. There's a little hangover here, but that's okay because we're going to be coating this thing, right? So I got a little hole here to fix, so I'll do that real quick. But now it's looking great, and I've got the A-pillar trim in here, and so it's looking fantastic. So yeah, the interior is really coming together. I mean, boy, I got to tell you, getting that front end on was awesome, but now that we've done some of the interior, I'm getting pretty excited about this vehicle. So got a few more things to adjust, clean up, and then we'll move on to the next thing. All right, so I did adjust the door here and got it situated in, which matches the other side now. So just had to make some modification, and it actually turns out that it was a good thing because I had actually bumped it out myself when putting it together so that it didn't really match the other side. But I also finished up this guy right here. We put this piece in there, got this piece down here all grafted in, got a nice reveal. I think what I'm going to have to do here is build this out so that this matches, because it's the same on the other side, and maybe make some adjustment here so that it's a really good match. But other than that, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way it's turning out, and yeah, that's a smart looking interior, and you can see why people really like it. And then we got some of the other panels in here. As you can see, we've got one over there. I'm missing this piece. I'm either going to have to print it or find one. The issue is that you can see that one over there has actual gasket on it, or rubber. So I don't know how I'm going to do this one. I might look for another spider panel. This one wasn't that expensive, so maybe there's another one out there that actually has that cap on it. And the reason is because that cap actually has a mechanism so that it rotates in and out of the way when the roof comes down. So gonna have to figure that one out. Another episode of What You Printing. So here we're printing the passenger door piece for the SVJ, and over here we just finished a print for another part of the door. And that goes into the pile of parts for the SVJ passenger door. And the rocker is getting there. We got the other side of the rockers all done, so got to glue this one up. So that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed some of the work that I did. You can see basically it's just a different medium that I'm working in, which is plastic and 3D printed parts. And then, you can also take those and make them fit. You don't have to print them back out again. Sometimes that's what's required, but other times, you can just graft them all together. Now, since we're going to do fiberglass or carbon fiber or whatever to strengthen these materials, We just need to get the shape right, and then when we go in and we put in some Duraglass or some kitty hair to kind of smooth everything out, it'll take the carbon fiber or the fiberglass real nice. So let me know what you guys think. Is this kind of a new medium that we're going to be working in for cars or not? So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit that like button and the notification bell if you want to see new upcoming videos. And hopefully we'll see you in a couple weeks at the Rocky Mountain Rep Rat Festival. You guys take care.